travel map animation in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So we're going to teach you how you could do an effect similar to this, where you could have a travel map over here, as you can see, appearing on your video. I could ignore the funny car over here. That's just a funny thing that I added. But anyway, to be able to do this, simply have a new page on any video, or you could even do PowerPoint if you want, but we're going to stick with video since it's easier to demonstrate. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on our elements. Over here, you're going to search for map. Click on map and click on photos over here. You will be able to see here all available maps. As you can see in Canva, everything's amazing over here. As you can see, we have really high quality maps over here. So simply select the one that you like. So for example, I'm going to use this one as an example, or we could actually, let's use this one. So we're going to enlarge in this. You can see the image are very high quality in Canva. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to search for pins. We're going to click on graphics. So we want something very graphic over here, or we could even use something like this. So I want to use this one this time as my pin design. So simply hover it on an area that you want. For example, Madrid. What I want also to do is I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to give it a shadow so it looks a bit more realistic. So let me select edit and click on shadow, and let's give it a background, or drop over here, outline. I could see different options that we could choose from. So let's go with this angle, and I'm going to duplicate it to let's say front. Now what we're going to do next, we're going to click on elements, and you're simply going to search for line. So I typed the wrong thing, but let me type it again. Line. There we go. And you're going to click on this type of line over here in our shape, as you can see. So simply select that, and you should be able to see it in the map. It's a bit hard to see, so we're going to increase the weight. There we go. So that we're going to pinpoint the edges over here directly on our pin, like that. And we're going to adjust our line type or line style and make it curve, as you can see. You can either make it like that or make it something similar to this. Let's keep it like that for fun. After this, you're going to click on animate, and you're going to select wipe over here. The wipe gives it an animation, as you can see, that you're moving towards your direction, but it might not want to work properly as you wanted, since my design is a bit funky, like a bit too bent. But let's see on this side over here. So if we play it, it should work much better, as you can see. Now, if you want to add something fun like my car earlier, you could also add that. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. Also check out in the link in the description if you want to try out our Canva over here without any restriction. Check it out so that you could try out a Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.